The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Meta platforms with the ticker symbol META. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have the daily chart for Meta platforms, and like I mentioned last week or a couple weeks prior, that this is a strong trend because the angle of the price is rising, and also you can see how small the pullbacks are. So there's a lot of aggressive buyers in this market that want to continue to push up the price. The uptrend channel is still intact. You can see this looks to be like the macro one or the larger one, and there is a micro one that prices have been respecting since looks like mid-March. So we have a macro and micro uptrend channel in play. You can see how the EMA is also pointing up pretty much in line with the channel. So basically prices are continually rising up. We do have earnings report next week Wednesday after market close. This could just be an estimate, but fairly shortly we're gonna have a earnings report from Meta platforms. Maybe that will increase the volatility because this looks pretty slow. The market continuously rises up, but it's moving at a very slow pace. We're probably gonna take out these swings, the first one at the 224 and the next one at the 237. Even though I see higher prices, that doesn't mean we're going to go up from where we are right now. We could pull back first. Me personally, if I was trading this, I'm not going to be buying the top of a trend. I want to be entering on a pullback, kind of like what happened over here. So prices would need to pull back and then, give a setup to go long. So prices look like they want to go higher, but right now is not the time to be entering, in my opinion. I mean, you could probably enter, but basically you're taking an aggressive trade because any second now we're probably going to see a break of these channels towards the downside, maybe retest the 190 level, and then see higher prices. So I don't think we're going to see higher prices from where we are right now. Is it a possibility? Yes, it's a possibility, but I think it's due for a pullback, and then we'll probably see higher prices. So either way, Meta platforms will probably continue to go up unless we see some crazy crash down. Something that would change the analysis, then we're probably looking for lower prices. But as right now, even if we see a break of the channel, there's still an opportunity for bulls to continually drive up the price. Now here's the weekly. On the weekly chart, I can put a channel on here connecting the swings, starting from the bottom point, and if I drag it up, you can see that we're hovering around the top side, so it looks like it's due for a pullback. Maybe back down to like I said before, that 190 level, because that 190 level was acting as prior support and resistance. So this was prior support, turned into resistance, then it started finding support again once it broke through. Now we come back again, test for support. So either way, this line right here is being tested on both sides. So it definitely looks to be a important number on this price chart. So that's what I'm saying. It could pull back prices towards it again before we see higher prices. So even though I see higher prices, a pullback could occur first, and then we can see those higher prices that I mentioned before to the swing highs right over here. But either way, it looks pretty bullish for Meta platforms. I think we're going to probably see higher prices regardless if we see a pullback or not. So that's all I have for Meta platforms this week, and I'll give you guys an update probably next week, Tuesday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.